Hello everybody, Mike here, and today we're going to be unboxing a wooden utensil set by WoodenHouse. I'm excited about this collaboration. WoodenHouse was kind enough to send over their popular utensil set for me to do an unboxing, a little showcasing of their product. Right, they're popular, highly rated products on Amazon, so I was happy when they reached out. Here is little note about the utensils: you should not, per their instructions, put it in the dishwasher. But so we unboxed the utensils. This is a 10-piece set. So I'm big on packaging. So it comes in a nice box, and then as you see, it's got every single utensil wrapped and then has the logo sticker there. So here it is. All of them actually had a wooden case that I can kind of put them in. That's sold separately, but it looks nice because they have like the wooden round case to store them in, right? And then you can see it's quality, handmade. There's a spoon, nice looking, feels good. I feel like with the wood, it looks nice and it just like feels better when you're cooking with it. And there's another one. I tend to like use this with pasta, right? I'm Italian, so we love cooking. I get a little pasta, drain the water. Something about making sauce in a pot with a wooden spoon is just meant to be. All right, so there was a look at the utensils. Now we're going to go ahead and do an egg test. One of my favorite meals is scrambled eggs. So we're going to take the utensils, right, non-stick pan, use it, do a little rinsing off, and we are good to go. So here is one last look at the set. This is quality, handmade, made out of 100% teak wood, so it should last you a long time. It's a very nice set. I want to thank WoodenHouse again for sending it over.